Ever felt that nagging sense of unease when you've linked your bank account to an app? You know, that feeling of, wait, how much access do they really have? Especially when it comes to financial management apps, the stakes feel even higher. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's probably crossed your mind if you're a Rocket Money user. Can I actually remove my bank account from Rocket Money? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's acknowledge why this question is so important. In today's digital age, our financial data is incredibly sensitive. We're constantly bombarded with news of data breaches and security concerns. So, it's perfectly natural to want to understand exactly how much control you have over your information. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, has become a popular tool for managing subscriptions, tracking spending, and even negotiating bills. It's designed to simplify your financial life, and for many, it does just that. But to achieve those benefits, it requires access to your financial accounts. That's where the potential for anxiety creeps in. Think about it. You've entrusted an app with access to your bank account, your spending habits, and potentially even your income. You've done this in the hopes of gaining better financial control. But what if your circumstances change? What if you decide the app isn't for you anymore? Or, what if you simply want to tighten your security and minimize the number of apps that have access to your financial data? That's where the ability to disconnect your bank account becomes crucial. It's about regaining that sense of control, knowing that you can sever the connection whenever you choose. It's about peace of mind. So, let's cut to the chase. Yes, you can remove your bank account from Rocket Money. But, as with anything related to financial data, there are some important details you need to know. First, let's talk about the process. Rocket Money, like most financial apps, provides a way to unlink your bank accounts. This is typically done within the app settings. You'll usually find an option labeled Linked Accounts or something similar. When you select this option, you should see a list of the bank accounts you've connected. From there, you can typically select the account you want to remove and initiate the disconnection process. However, it's important to understand the implications of removing your bank account. When you disconnect your account, Rocket Money will no longer be able to access your transaction data. This means that features like automatic subscription tracking, spending analysis, and bill negotiation will no longer function. Here's a crucial point. Removing your bank account does not necessarily cancel your Rocket Money subscription. If you're a premium subscriber, you'll need to cancel your subscription separately to avoid future charges. This is a common point of confusion, and it's essential to understand the difference between disconnecting your bank account and canceling your subscription. Now, let's address some of the concerns people often have about data security. When you link your bank account to Rocket Money, the app uses secure protocols to access your data. These protocols are designed to protect your information from unauthorized access. However, no system is entirely foolproof. Rocket Money states that they use industry-standard security measures to protect your data. But, as with any online service, there's always a potential risk. That's why it's crucial to understand the app's privacy policy and security practices before linking your bank account. Here are some additional considerations. Data retention. Even after you disconnect your bank account, Rocket Money may retain some of your data. It's important to review the app's privacy policy to understand how long they retain your information and what they do with it. Third-party access. In some cases, Rocket Money may share your data with third-party partners. Again, it's essential to review the privacy policy to understand how your data is shared. Two-factor authentication. To enhance your security, enable two-factor authentication on your Rocket Money account. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regular reviews. Periodically review the apps and services that have access to your financial data. This allows you to identify and disconnect any apps you no longer use or trust. Phishing scams. Be aware of phishing scams that may attempt to trick you into providing your Rocket Money login credentials or bank account information. Never click on suspicious links or provide your information to untrusted sources. In essence, removing your bank account from Rocket Money is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to understand the implications. It's about taking control of your financial data and making informed decisions about which apps and services you trust. It is also important to know that the exact user interface of the app can change. So if the instructions provided here are slightly different than what you see on your device, always look to the help options provided by Rocket Money. Their help articles and customer service are the best resources for the most up-to-date instructions. When dealing with finances, it is always better to be safe than sorry. So, take the time to learn the functionality of the applications you use. And always make sure that you understand the terms of service and privacy policies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.